is going to be an engaging activity.
Read a little bit about the 3 electro-compartment cell.
That was funded by the Environmental Protection Agency, the Ohio grant. And this program will allow high school students to get hands-on experiences, learning how to utilize sensors, electrode sensors, to detect heavy metals in water. So heavy metals are very toxic and they can cause brain damage, and especially young children, when they have heavy metals in their diet, they can actually have permanent brain damage.
I heard somebody say one time it's hard to dream outside your neighborhood, and I think that if you can go places and dream a little bit, you know, chemistry might not be in their future, but it might lead them to a place that they would not have otherwise gone by taking part in this program.
Every time I look at water, I'll probably think of this experiment.
So students learning how to understand how to read a graph and understand that oxidation reduction reactions, looking at heavy metals, is a real-world activity that needs to really be addressed to help our environment be a cleaner environment.
Back home in my home country, Ghana, there's a lot of things going on, illegal mining going on in Ghana, and they are using these heavy metals in destroying water bodies in search for gold and other minerals. So analyzing heavy metals in water is the best that I think the high school students should know.
Well, it's more complicated than high school from what I've learned. I haven't done like this much in depth with like a lab yet, so it's pretty cool.
There's no substitute for having these life experiences. Just being on the campus, taking part in the labs that they're doing when they wouldn't have otherwise been able to have that experience, and I think it's very valuable.